Hello everyone. I have a special request to make a flower out of aluminum foil and to demonstrate how it's done. I'm going to make this small, but I think it should come out very nice and it should be fairly easy to follow. The same steps can be used also to make a bigger flower. The first thing we will need is a strip of aluminum foil. This is going to be our strip of aluminum foil, as you can see. This will be the stem. The first part of making the stem is that you also want to make a little bit of the head of the flower. So we're going to take the aluminum foil and fold it over twice as good. See? That's our strip. And then we're going to roll it. You roll it inwards. Like so. So now we have a stem and the top of our flower. You can see that it actually does look a little bit like a flower. The next step is to make the flower head itself. For that we will take another strip of aluminum foil. Now here, the trick is to make little triangles at the tip, not too small. We'd like to make about 4 or 5 of them. That will be the shape. Let me see if I can get that a little bit better on camera. See? Triangle. And another one. Like I said, ideally you want to make 4 or 5, but even 3 will work. See? Here's our flower again. Here's the flower head. This will sit around the flower with the petals of the flower head facing upwards. Now you want to crunch the area immediately beneath a little bit tighter so that it will hold. And you can also take the petals and angle them out a little bit, giving them a more rose-like appearance. See? And then finally we want to make leaves for our flower. The leaves we take significantly smaller strips. And the technique for making a leaf is very simple. You fold one side, you fold the other, so you make like a triangle. And you attach that to the stem, like so. And you just crunch it wherever you want to connect it. And it should hold. In fact, I've had flowers hold for many years without any need for glue or anything else. See? So there we have a flower. Let's try to get a nicer distant picture of it. Flower. Now I usually put 2 leaves on a flower. So let's put another leaf on the other side, a little bit lower down. Again, take the aluminum foil, make a triangle, place it at the height that you want it, and crunch the aluminum foil so that it stays there. And there we have an aluminum foil flower.